Ito po ang D-tape machine sa Robinsons na Baliches. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 69 meters kaming na-run dito as of this week. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Good naman po ang nozzle check namin. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Weight ink tank nalinis from Friday.
Ground wire.
GBR. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito po ang weekly consumable. Nakagamit tayo this week ng isang film at powder. Weekly inventory. White ink. Magenta, cyan, powder, film, black, yellow, sa cleaning solution. Ito po ang weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.